This video will show you how to create a custom design for Melody Mania. You should already have some experience with text editors, JSON files, and CSS style sheets. Let's dive in. First, we need to find the Themes folder of the game. It can be found easily from the Development options, which has a button to open the game's data folder. In the Themes folder, there is already an example file that explains the structure of a theme. Let's copy it. Make sure that the file extension is .json, because this is the expected format. Feel free to read all the explanations in the file. For this video, we are only interested in two fields, the parent theme and the style sheets. Themes form a hierarchy, so values that are not specified in this theme will be taken from the parent theme. The style sheets are Unity-specific CSS with .uss file extension. Let's create the file. Now, we can select our themes. Note that Melody Mania monitors the theme folder for changes, such that we do not need to restart the game. The goal of this theme is to move the lyrics box to the center. Therefore, we need to find which UI element needs to be adapted. The element can be found from the UI hierarchy. The UI hierarchy can be copied to the clipboard from the in-game debug console. Open the console with F7 and run the command UI.hierarchy. Now paste it into your text editor. The lyrics box element is named bottom lyrics container. Unity StyleSheets work similar to CSS, and there are loads of tutorials for this out there, so I will not go into details. To move the element to the center, we change its attributes, namely its position, top, and width. Let's see. Looks good so far. But the player UI feels out of place now. Let's hide it. Again, check the UI hierarchy, find the relevant element, and adjust its properties. Great. Now, let's make the background transparent. This is controlled by a property of the JSON theme file. Future versions of Melody Mania may unify its styling approach such that everything can be controlled from the style sheet. Until then, some properties are controlled in the JSON file. The relevant property of the lyrics box is lyrics container gradient. The gradient has two hex colors in the format, red, green, blue, alpha, or RGBA. To make it transparent, you can set the alpha value to 0. Nice! I want to show you another feature that is helpful for creating themes. In the in-game console, the command UI.inspect can be used to see UI element names and properties on hover. This way you can find that there is a UI element named logo. Again, this element can be manipulated from the style sheet, for example, to hide it. This is it for now. Let's recap. The theme folder can be opened from the development options. A theme is a JSON file that can reference Unity StyleSheets. A Unity style sheet works similar to CSS. Finding UI elements is possible via the in-game console that opens with F7. I hope this helps you create the style that you want. Happy singing!